Coach, okay. So, sir, congratulations. Coach, dito ka muna sa gitna. We need a few words from you, especially after that hard battle today. Game number 3. Anything goes, 50-50 lahat nung panimula ng laban natin. But your boys you showed that you were prepared and you were ready for anything. You've dominated, especially in the second half of this game. First up, your thoughts on securing back-to-back championships for Letran?
Well, una-una, maraming salamat sa Letran community. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Arriba Letran! Kaila Boss Frank and Boss Jacob, maraming salamat. SGA family na walang sawang sumusuporta sa team namin. Yung mga alumni, maraming salamat. The old men from Letran, maraming salamat po. Well, this is so sweet to us kasi maraming nag-exit sa amin. So, wala nag-expect na papasok kami sa Final Four, going to the championship. So, talaga sabi ko lang doon sa mga bata na, trabahuhin lang natin para wala tayong regrets after.
Coach, dun sa post-game interview, pagkatapos ng game number 2, nakita natin dun sa demeanor mo, the way you handled the interview, parang talagang alam mong tiwala ka dun sa mga bata mo. You were still very confident even after a loss. What happened in the past few days? Ano yung mga sinabi mo? How did you motivate your boys going into the biggest game of their careers?
Well, number one, hats off to Perpetual. Talagang wala kami dito kung hindi dahil sa kanila. So they gave us great competition. So we really do appreciate it. So ayun, kumbaga talagang mindset lang namin is to execute our offensive scheme and priority namin dumipensa kasi talagang ngayon tingin namin they are the number 1 team sa NCAA.
Okay, Coach, let's do one question, in-game question. Kasi kanina lumalaban yung Perpetual. There were instances in the game na talagang pumapalag sila, nakakabalik dun sa laban. How are you guys able to fend off any comeback netong Perpetual kanina?
Sabi ko lang sa mga bata, walang susuko. Okay, walang bibitaw. Basta we take it possession per possession. So, ayun. We had that lead and then naalagaan lang namin.
Okay. Coach, ito na final message for the entire Letran community. Pasalamatan mo na lahat ng pwede mong pasalamatan na nagbigay sa inyo, nakatulong sa inyo para makakuha ng back-to-back championships.
Again, maraming salamat sa Letran community, sa mga alumni. And then, again, maraming salamat Boss Frank and Boss Jacob, SJA family. Sa mga classmates ko before, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Batch 2001, maraming salamat. JP Beltrano, maraming salamat sa pag-assist sa mga bata. Sa mga coaches ko, maraming salamat sa haba ng pasensya nyo sa akin at sa mga players. Maraming salamat at sa mga players. Sa daming laban na pinagdaanan natin, sa daming challenges, hindi kayo bubitaw sa akin. And kay Lord, maraming salamat. And sa wife ko, sa family ko, I love you all. Maraming salamat.
Ladies and
Arriba
gentlemen,
Letran!
yan!